Still on the upcoming Edo 2024 governorship election, the All Progressive Congress APC campaign train with plenty show of energy don't carry the campaign for more votes enter Ekpon, Okpebholo and Igueben local government area of Edo State. The party supporters withdraw welcome the candidates and their convoy well. Senator Monday Okpebholo Konya the people say Edo no dey for sale as in chook mouth yarn about their key promises for the visit, including the renewal and construction of health centers for all the 192 wards for the state, big programs to empower youths and women, and serious plan to develop the whole state. For the visit to Igueben, Director General of the Campaign Council Senator Matthew Rohide, Director General of Edo Central Senatorial District Campaign Council Honorable Prince Odianose Okoje, Minister for Niger Delta Honorable Abubakar Momo, APC Chieftain Honorable Patrick Iharale and other party leaders come yarn the people of Igueben why it is important for them to vote for government wey go put the people first.
This straightforward message to give to the people of Igueben on behalf of our candidate and the party. It is good that you know the reason why the party decided to choose Senator Monday Okpebholo as our candidate. It's also good for you to know why Honorable Dennis Dausa is our deputy governorship candidate. And again, it is good for you to know the interest of the people of Edo Central Senatorial District in this governorship election. Let me first tell you one thing. There is nobody that is from Edo State that will tell you that all of us, we in Edo South, the Benin's, you in Edo Central, the Asians, and our brothers and our sisters from Edo North, the Afema people, that we are all from the same family. Is it not so? No. Is it not so? No. And if you look back to the time that majority of you can remember, and Bruce Ali was the last person virtually that served out his term. Senator Osubo did 16 months in office. Is it not true? And the Asian people, the Edo Central people said, this time around, after the 8 unholy years of Godwin Obaseki, it is good for the people of Edo Central to get the governorship. Were you all not clamoring for it? Yes. Was it not what you wanted? Yes. That it is the turn of the Esan. And that you even called it Esan agenda. Yes. Now, the APC went inside to look at the candidates, all of them that were struggling to get the ticket of the party. And to get you involved in it, we now reason that you, the Esan, you voted for somebody as senator not too long ago. You voted for Monday Okpebholo last year, February 23rd, to be your senator. Is it not true? Yes. So, we in Edo South and those of us from Edo North, we decided to respect that your wish. You have voted for somebody to be senator. And if that person is to contest governorship, you, the Asian people, too, will vote for him again. Yes. Is it not so? Yes, sir. Are you going to change that choice? No. For any other person? No. From Edo South? No. Even from Edo Central? No. Or from Edo North? No. So you can see that the party has aligned with Esan agenda. We have decided to respect that agenda. And the choice that you made was for the person that you voted for to be your senator. And because that person already had a track record, before he became senator, he has done well for you, the Asian people. Is it not true? Yes. He was known to have taken part in the cure that you get to insecurity by being the person who handsomely donated to see that insecurity was cured in Edo Central. Is it not true? Yes. Again, the issue of water rose, even providing social services to you. Free bus rides and all of that. Okpebholo was not even governor before he started doing those things. That tells you that he's a kind man. That was why Edo Central voted for him to become senator. So now we have brought him out. It will be a thing of surprise and best service to God if you do not renew that mandate in him now at a higher office. If Monday Okpebholo is able to do something for you as a senator in 1 year, What do you think he will do for you, the Esan people, and the whole of Edo State when he becomes governor? Will it not be more?
Yes.
Will it not be more?
Yes.
Let me tell you people, everything about government that the people benefit from is about the sympathy the man has in mind. A man that is not compassionate will never do well for the people. We in the North South, we are ashamed that we never saw development in the last 8 years. It doesn't matter whether you are a big man, whether you are a prime man, whether you are a shaman, it doesn't matter. It is the person. We have seen the heart of Okpebholo. Okpebholo has the grace of God upon him. He has the fear of God upon him. He is from a good family, that the Esan family that he comes from. Therefore, we have brought him back to you to give him all the support. And because you made that choice of making him a senator, we decided to look equal in Edo South. Who is that son of ours that we do have elected, that has performed, that will come as deputy governor? We decided to go to Ovia Federal Constituency for the man that we voted for in 2019. And when he came again in 2023, we voted for him again. Of everybody that is in the North South today, in the Federal House of Representatives, Tennessee, the House has the best record. He has done a whole lot for the people of Ovia Southwest. He has done a whole lot for the people of Ovia Northeast. We decided that this would be the general brother to Okpebholo.
That's so.
If Okpebholo from the Senate and then it's outside from the House of Representatives, can any combination be better than that? No. These are the people who have the mandate of the people. Then it's outside the mandate of the people from Edo South, and specifically from Ovia Federal Constituency. Okpebholo has the mandate of the people of Edo Central. And I want to tell you, with our leader, Comrade Senator Adams Oshomole from Edo North, go and see the minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Honorable Abubakar Momo, is sitting down there. He is standing in for the people of Edo North, for you people to know that we have agreed to honor Esan agenda, but only in the person of Senator Okpebholo. We don't know any other person from Esan. It's only Okpebholo that we know, because he's the one that has been tested, he's the one that is trusted, and because he has done for you as a senator, he will do better for you as a governor. We have to trust him. You people have to back him. We have decided in the North South that we are going to vote for Okpebholo. Edo North has decided that they are going to vote for Okpebholo. If you join us together, and with your support and the support of God, nothing can stop Okpebholo from becoming governor. So the ambition of the Esan people, the ambition of the North Central people will be fulfilled in him. No other person has anything to show. If you go to the PDP, whoever is there from Esan has nothing to show. We in the North South will not vote for him. The people in the North will not vote for him because they don't have anything to show. Are you hearing me? And because they don't have anything to show, we don't trust him. He's going to make promises to all that he will do.
MOU.
Okpebholo has done. And that man has been in government of God in the last 8 years. And there is nothing that he has been able to do. So we don't trust him. So I am telling all of you, Igueben people, all of you from this local government area, and the other 4 local government areas, Esan Northeast, Esan Southwest, Esan West, Esan Central, Igueben, 5 of you, you must come together and queue behind him. You must give support to yourself. You must give support to yourself. This is the only opportunity you have to produce a governor.
Yes, sir.
This is the only opportunity you have to produce a governor from this district that we believe we can trust, that we believe can do well for our people. We want to put back the ugly record of Obaseki behind us. We want to put back the ugly performance of those that he wants to put in power. We will not vote for them. You can only vote for Okpebholo. So you have no excuse not to support your son. Esan land will be better off. We have been coming all around. The bad roads you see in Edo Central is the same bad roads you see in Edo South. The same bad roads you see in Edo North. Therefore, all the schools that we have, whether it's Ambrosali University, whether it's the College of Education in Igueben, there is no one that is good. It's only Okpebholo that can help us to restore this whole thing. So he's going to come on back. And when he comes, he will talk to you so that you know that this is the promise he's making to you. And any promise he will make to you, he will fulfill it. Don't you believe so? Don't you believe so?
Are you ready for this election? If you are ready, wave your hand. If you are ready, wave your hand. If you are ready, say Okpebholo. Some of you go tell you now today, because this Igueben, now before go school, Igueben College now I go. I also want to know. As Igueben College day, as you come finish from Igueben College, our brother Okpebholo come make Igueben College to be College of Education. Have you not been so? The College of Education, you there again? That's like you come, what do you do? You like them like that? The only person who will feel redeem that school back again. Now who be that? All of you are going to come out with your PVC on the 21st. Make una go support Okpebholo and make it become the governor of Edo State. If you don't say you go vote for Okpebholo, raise up your hand, make us. Person wey finish school, he won twice. Wetin dem go do? Dem go withdraw for school, no be so? You go later make you go bring person wey don pass and make you come be governor. So make una no let am o. Person wey be say una don trust, when una don know, when una vote for when you become na senator now, why una no go come vote for am again? As una first vote for am when he be senator, make una vote like that, even vote more than that. Me when I dey talk here, na if una dey watch, na we and president na who dey hold meeting together. Na here e dey o, na here so, na here everybody dey o. Make una no let person come deceive una. Na for the Okpebholo be our governor. What I want people for now be say, when you live here, make you go your cupboard where you put that card when they take vote. Make you go look for am. Make you no wait until a day to election before you start looking for it. Because what you will see in the past, a day to election, people go they look for their card, they no see am. You discover that many people wait for vote, they no go fit vote. When you live here, go home, make sure you look for it, you keep it well. Don't allow any person from the other party go tell you say, oh, bring that card is for you, that voter's card. No matter the money one person give you, no gree give am, because that one now be your power. Now you go take put Monday, Okpebholo and Dennis Itausa for Sadebe Avenue. If you allow people come treat you carry on, don't do it. So for this election, by the grace of God, we don't have any fear. Senator distinguish our leader. Now even say me come here now because he got visitor. If they here, now say me come. Say me I can't tell them. May I can't tell these people. Say we when we there do not. We agree say na Monday Okpebholo. Una no go ever also agree like that. Una no go agree. Maraja Magogo, Honor Wakalu Pomne, Aya Bakakbe Pomne, Pasakino Dam with Duna of my Papa, Ayakawa Balu, Wakalu, Onida Kewani, Otezaniwa, Nabasa Bole Nose. I was chairman House Committee of Power. Remember that to someone who had give money for either moon they need transformer in Nigeria. The vice president of this country, Namadi Sambo, other people back in Kaduna, either Honoko, if I Bodo Papa, you can't Hono say, on the transformer or Jeva, either have a Murevo to Esan, other Muriru, and transformer, one. Moto no neko mo ne pa da ni ora ne ko sabe otoruwa bezani da lo because abu pa transformer ni mu ni je ki ke de gwegwe onu de di transformer ni ole are aro dage no se wa yere egroso aru anu gene okida bi kando wa ba yere e wa no se ida kono ko wa buja ko le sabe do that do me ada separate ukwan manemi Esan from Edo North and Edo South. Is there for Abu Boyomo? Yes, is there for Abu Boyomo? Only transformer metabol and a far Abu in Nigeria. The then vice president ordered 5 for 1 to Kaduna, Northwest. Many of you are here most of them Edo State. Only transformer ni Igueben name most of them now become most Otoruwa. Only transformer kiwoni ya. Obasaki mupano. Only baya hayu. Okpebholo Obasaki. Oda hasen wo yeseno. Esara hasen. Ege vai mare Obasaki osa. Bezano dalwo. Awe sawaka lo ase ba wase bia transformer no diario. Oda pano. Joy, Mamale, Ibo Hinua, Efonoko, use Air Force, soldiers, and police done with that transformer for Luther. Only man, you have on the kind of way you're in. Ekpon, Okpebholo government in there, not keep Pelele. Bolo Tosa, Bolo Igueben, Amamo, Simonamo. You stood up, okay? Away we walk here. Nani go there that go so fue. My cabo maralu, my cabo papa mo fa, ono go kere no ta ola sagale. When you going Igueben no we kuma. Okpebholo Sali University na Ogbole papa Ogbole soto. Oni ba ya kailu. Wa sa bo ba sa ki kailu olu ore wa.
Iwo ki ma wa wo wa on my wa me ho na jeje gugwa wa dare bo to dia he nanya magi ewe on se fure for protect the APC Igueben local government ma say me so no bubu ni ma mie mama ni no wa ya tamema wa nwa ona ebe wo sunu nanya oja ma we eso se woro to kakabo ye ma so wa ni ma suen be ma kan se me wa here wo track day we campaign wa wo make.
The APC governorship and deputy governorship candidate Senator Mondo Okpebholo and Right Honorable Dennis Idausa chook mouth on their vision for Edo State future and come promise say better improvement go dey if them win.
Our people, good morning. We come today by the grace of God. We can't talk to now because election now less than 6 weeks from now. On the 21st of September next month, we'll now go elect my principal, the incoming governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo. Now, the language where they speak, now be our identity. If you go outside land, now outside that they speak. If you go the east, now Igbo that they speak. If you go in Yoruba land, what that they speak? Now, if you go Esan, what do they speak? If you go Adosa, what that they speak? If you go Afema, what that they speak? Good. Now don't talk up. Now somebody said he wants to be the leader of Edo State from Esan, and he cannot communicate. Huh? Now, me now from Edo South, and majority of Igueben people now Benin they speak Benin. Oba Okpebholo. Now, after Mama they here, I go give her microphone, make it stop one thing for now. Mona no say Sabi speak after Mama. Give this microphone to Regina Ishama, make it speak it as from Benin and the feet they speak make una call the other candidate from another party. Make it come speak Esan to una. The era of interpreter don't finish. Before you go be our governor, you must speak our local dialect. I be not be so na talker. I know you will not be so na talker. So the Igueben people don't talk. But waiting we want to do for now. My boss don't tell me. He say in government, he go make sure say the road which is called the road where Malgato just now, the honorable minister, that is called infrastructural development. All the major roads in Edo, we go do and federal government go come reimburse us. Shomole government, we don't know what to be federal government road and state government road. Any federal government people they live for Igueben. If you say na federal government road, you not do one. Who could they suffer and not be Igueben people? By the grace of God, my boss don't talk. He say he go try well to make sure say majority of the roads he go tie to make sure say our people where they live for rural area, they go see the road till they carry their farm produce go marketplace go they sell. No, not me clap for my guy. Number 2, he talk and say other tribes for different parts of the country, they don't take over our farmland. He say under in government where Oibo they call insecurity, he say he go drive all those people come off our land to make sure say una go back to he talk am say for every ward there will be a functional healthcare center for the 192 wards that makes Edo State. No be only that one, health workers go day. Health workers go day. And the next one, he's saying go make sure there is universal health coverage for majority of Edo people. Igueben people, it dey hard before you go see this kind of man. Because now God, in every generation, God will bring one good person. We go transform the lives of our people. So God don't bring them. And I know, say, Igueben people will not go vote 100%. After we not vote to our son, now they will not still vote young man like me. Right Honorable Denko Itahosa. About this ticket, my organ in the bulldoze everywhere for Edo South, Edo Central. Me, they still elect me 2 times now for House of Rep for Ovia. And the records, they there. Even the governor Baseki cannot compete me in Ovia in terms of projects. So the combination of me and my organ make Edo people more not go they happy. Before una don't agree with the excitement we I see here. Una don't agree to vote distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo as the next governor of Edo State. That's it. Join me. Welcome the incoming governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo. From the area, so the never the kind find Esan. Make us a bokere, make it Esan the kind. This life for Igueben, what would they need? You good like this? No. Una like him? No. This one where nobody can go to farm. You good like that? No. Una college of education still there? No. They never kill them. They never kill them. Una dey see governor for here? Una go see una own son now. That college of education. Una want am back? We will get it back. Before 100 days, as a governor, there will be a testimony of college of education. Una get water to drink. I'm a river. Ukpa river. Ukpa river. Una girl night. Una girl night. Igueben una girl night. Your vote for Akpakobisa. Your vote for APC is a guarantee to water. It's a guarantee to life. Some people, Igueben people, it's our turn to shine. All these evil boys, evil men that are in our forest, that are kidnapping people, we will drive them out of our land. We will make our land very secure. And because Madame Kwelewa, and are you never going to if I remember one day, look at Express. You know, they make better with that Medakere Chola Tele. And the Maya Mandi
The campaign train called Waka enter Ekpon next, where Director General of the Campaign Council, Senator Matthew Rohide, the candidates and other leaders meet the community people and come yarn them why them believe say APC candidates now the correct choice for the upcoming election. The candidates for their part can share their plans for better government wey go do past the one way they now.
This number of people when we see here this afternoon is with us. We should all say that the people from this world will love our party, will love our candidates. And by the grace of God, in this way people are here today, we will go benefit for us. We will go see development here.
Amen.
But the Okpebholo will see and do the well.
Amen.
The reason why we come here, we don't pass election. When we say we vote for party, we vote for candidates. Because people tell you say we don't vote for them. We don't bring our candidate, come here. Let me come talk to Una. Una, you the people of Ekpon. When they come here now, whoever will take suffer, this road, take reach here. We know the people in me. We know the people that don't feel. If in the last 8 years, when we say we are vote for PDP, we are vote for the Republic, we are not get anything. The only God now don't go and say we get candidates. When one show say yes, he get the heart very good. When the very say do something for our people. And they see our grandpapa, and they see our papa, and they see our mama of Mama in Ghana soul. You mix it into my name the mind and to come listen to us, the APC and our candidate. The two will get to give to us. When I tell you that, Ekpon is part of Esan, not be so. Ekpon is part of Esan, not be so. We are there for Igueben. And Igueben is one of the 5 local government areas where we are those central. Amen. Make people keep. Amen. Make people hear the truth we talk. Please. We don't come here come joke. Please. I say Igueben, like one of the 5 local government areas where we are those central. Not be so. We are the part of Esan. We are the Esan people. But I know say as my day, Una, where they are those central. Me, I the believer, I come from Edo South. And we get people here where come from Edo North. All of us are from one family, not be so. For Edo, we come from one family, not be so. Now, we are going to talk. For some years now, say Esan never feel bring couple. And the come talk to us, say true. It will be brothers and sisters from one family. Why do we say people from the Masaki, you do 8 years. When you know the better person, you do 8 years. We see that in millennium, you do 8 years. And we come see a TV, they come from Edo South. We come see, say, Senator Adam Shomale, you do 8 years. Not be so. And we come find and say, Esan man, when they also come, not only 14 months, now you do for office. Now we come talk for APC. They don't fair to Esan people. It better to make we know Esan people. When we bring out Esan man as governor. That's how we call this side. Esan agenda, so we must stand by. All of us are from one family. Nobody is slave to the other one. We come from the same family. So now we say we'll take Esan man as governor. But who go put that Esan man what we take? The only way we will decide who the Esan man will be. Then the Esan man, when Esan people don't vote for, the person one that don't vote for, the person one that trust, say now that pikin, we go do well for now. And the time we play vote for that, that's our pikin. We know as it might be. We don't see and say that better pikin of now. And that person, because of the thing they do, they come. Let come make una vote for am as una senator. Not so. Una vote for Okpebholo as your senator. For Okpebholo as our senator now when they senate. Then we say, if that one, the Esan choice, because una don't vote for am. Una Esan not get any other person when they submit to not vote for. No other person. Una vote for any other person to become senator before. Is there any point when they run for election now? When they run a popular choice for Esan as a pikin to be the senator, not only for the Okpebholo. Now, only last year, for February 23rd or 25th, now I vote for her as senator. And we see and say, if we promote her from senator to governor, some people will see support her. That's why we talk, say, it will be our choice. Every other person might come from Benin, those are. Every other person will come from the donor. All of them, they stand down for her. Because there is people like her. And because here, the thing, when Okpebholo don't do for Esan for a long time, when the people get problem of insecurity, when people know the big go farm, when the people say kidnapping is very heavy for Esan, una cause from particular happen, what they call Atarapa. Not be so? Not be so? Una when they Esan, una come talk so, una go raise money. Una go need people to go fight kidnappers for bush. Una come talk say una go get vehicles. Well, una go take fight kidnappers for bush. Not be so? This una pikin that time he never be senator on the Okpebholo. Una come call all the Esan children. When they Nigeria, then they come donate money. Today, make una check una record. On the Okpebholo, he donated 5 vehicles.
Wow. Thank you.
He donated 5 Sienna buses. And he donated money in millions. Cash. They support. That's another. Not until fight. I can let any other person for this Esan. When he donate money, when you have been governor today, whether he donate as waiting for the Okpebholo to donate to them. The other man now, when say the one wrong for governor, when the chairman managing director of the breweries, of banks, of that one, when he say he get money, when he need time to take get better mind towards the people, how much he donate? How much?
100,000.
The person will not get better mind. The person will not get heart of gold. The person will not love God. The person will not fear God. Can never be governor in this land.
Amen.
Not because of God.
Yes, sir.
A man that when get mind, when they feed for other people, then anything make governor.
Yes, sir.
As we see the Esan people who now bring out Monday Okpebholo as senator. One of them vote for before. We were just believe because of say we need to get our own. When we equally don't vote for, when we get record, say don't do well for people. That's why we can't take Honorable Dennis in the house. If they have a representative, that is the second time we vote for Dennis in the house. The house for 2019 for Ovia Federal Constituency, Ovia Northeast, Ovia Southwest. Na very strong area, but no south of Benin. We vote for her to the member house of reps.
Mr. Project.
We do many things for that place. 2023, we the north south of Igueben, we vote for her again because of the record. Na that one, na be our deputy governorship candidate. When we take support on the Okpebholo. So if you see the two of them, one day Senate, one be the senior brother, so the junior one, when they have some reps, who then is the outside. So you can see that combination. No other party get that kind of combination.
don't tire of government when they talk to like government. They go promise heaven and earth at the end of the day they're not going to do anything. I don't tire. Before when they enter they say they want to create 200,000 jobs. Would I get job? No. And when you are jobless, you know what kind of government again? Make we join hands together. Make we support the one where we know. If I say Akpabholo, we know. Akpabholo we want. Akpabholo we want. That one I will know. I don't talk about before say, Esan people, all they get to one candidate, and that candidate can be who? That candidate can who? You don't know what they say, Akitule, Akilade, we don't know that one. So I tell you that on the 21st of September, they could have gone carry the BBC and voters card. When I leave here today, when I go tell the people go home, say, Akpabholo is and now we will go for. So that at the end of the day, the vote when they go for this Ekpon and Esan will be only APC. Let me say what we'll do. Let me say what we'll do. If we have a vote for Akpabholo, I make a yell, hallelujah.
My wife is from the village, so we must vote for her. As we take it today, you should say we don't will finish. Now happiness will take come up for here. So people say he will do it. We don't say he don't do it. Other people say man will sabi. We they say the man will we sabi. So I don't say Akpabholo. Now be a governor. If I say how na day, I say Akpabholo. Ekpon how na day. What how na day. Akpabholo. Number one, Ekpon. God deputy. Then straight we dey go Osadebe and APC.
Before I go continue, the people wait, they canopy, may everybody come out.
Okay.
Our people will come this afternoon. They will come talk to Esan and Ekpon. Una do well, una take wait for us. We come today with my principal, the incoming governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, aka Akpabholo. He get many things where he tell me what he want to do for Edo State. Before he go talk, me go talk small, he go come round am up. Youth there, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Women
are here. The great youth.
We full class.
Una know my principal background. He say wetin he go through growing up. He no go wish am for any of una.
At all.
Because of that, there's going to be massive youth empowerment. For women, now women, now in their house. Now women, now they make us win election. The youth, they protect election, but now women, now they make sure say we win election. Women, no, you see, I see they empower the youth, and so you go empower the women simultaneously. Another thing, when we talk, say we go do, we go protect and respect all traditional institutions of the land.
That's all.
We know say
this rural community, majority of things where they put for our table na farming. I mean, not be so.
Yes, sir.
We are also aware, say, certain people from other part of the country, they don't invade our land, and then they do a lot of criminalities for our forest. He said under his watch, as the governor of Edo State, he go drive them away so that our family will be safe and secure. Number 3, when they come just now, we see the condition, the deplorable condition of the road.
That is small.
And he don't talk out. He said with the relationship, as you see the advantage when you now vote APC governor. When APC governor talk to APC president, shake you understand?
Yes, sir.
He said this road, he will talk to president of Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the condition of the road will change in Jesus' name. Number 4, una know, say the health center for this community, even there, una get health center.
He did, but he not good again.
Una get clinic.
He not there.
You see the work?
At all, he not the work again.
He say under his watch, by the grace of God, there will be a renovation in the health center. There will be nurses, at least 1 doctor. Majority of our people, when they get small malaria and what have you, they go there, they go help a short amount. On that note, my Oga, the incoming governor of Edo State, he get very, very happy with the crowd where they here. Just to know, now he bring this crowd come out. The coordinator, the world chairman of this gathering, una do well.
Thank you, sir.
The Ekpon and Esan community, una do well.
Thank you, sir.
We know say una don't agree say na my principal and APC now na one foot for. Have you not been so?
Yes, sir.
If na true, me I see una hand for all. By the grace of God Almighty, and with all your support, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, aka Akpakomisa, it is time to speak to your people. Thank you very much. I want to thank Ekpon. I want to thank Esan. You know, last year I was here.
Yes, sir.
You people voted for me.
Massively. We did represent.
Even when they don't agree, we agree.
Yes, sir. We don't take a robot. Yes, sir.
We not say if we want to one, we go to one complete.
We know the French are good at.
Don't be so.
Yes, sir.
This time, na good thing because we discover say Senate, you know what we help all of us. Now we say the governor for Edo to repair Edo as a whole. Don't be so we agree.
Yes, sir.
So now they send me go there. Shebi una go send me go. Una no say you never reach, you never took the where I enter Senate. See the work where they do. If you see that road from Auchi to Benin, if you go there now, you not go know the road again.
At all, do I carry the road?
You know, because of the trust, that is why, even when they come from the other side, say the ones scatter our vote, you not agree.
At all, we don't take a robot.
We agree.
They're not fit.
But this election, what would they do? I just say, una go do am.
Now no go look back.
At all.
Now go vote.
We go put
Now look back.
We go put
Now not see my sister stand for there.
Yes, sir. Betty Pio.
I see her.
Kunaka.
So this election, we must win her.
Yes, sir. Amen.
We are not say PDP. PDP say they want rig election.
They're not fit.
They don't say they don't go fit stand us for here.
At all.
They say they rig, they want rig.
They're not trying.
For 8 years, the day government, they don't fit do anything for us.
Not at all.
Even that Igueben, this una school, where they Igueben, College of Education, show una know the school. You see the
At all. He don't talk for
everything from here.
He don't talk for us.
Even when they take loans, say they want to do the school. They carry the loan. The man where they now where say you want to become governor again. He tell governor say no carry that money go Esan. If you not carry and go Esan not get revenue. So for that reason, that money for this school, they remove it from here. And they talk about the man where they contested me for PDP. Even though I know say he forged card, he not there for ballot, but I go still tell you now, say now why you people they be.
Now why you government? Yes. Who your government?
They say they don't buy people. People so when they don't they sell, I don't know how they take get mago go buy people. They say now that fake people, now they want to take big election. Una go agree?
At all. We go watch them.
Anybody will come Ekpon say one big election. Not that nature say not go back.
I like chairman of Okpebholo. He said make we calm down. He said make we calm down. Easy.
They say we not be human being for this area. So they don't look the whole Esan finish. They don't see any Esan where they speak Esan language. They go the other side, go carry person come. That's why good for now.
At all.
The carry as an ama come. Say, Oni, Olado rule man. Oni. What is Esan? I don't know. What is Esan?
Esan language,
I don't know what's no sabon suro no seba. If I know me, my winning insecurity not Esan. Mark is solve the problem.
Thank you.
The journey continues as Senator Okpebholo and Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa carry their campaign team waka enter Ebele. The state woman leader Betty Igueben with other APC chieftains come assure the people of Ebele say better future they come.
I want to thank our papa and our mama, all the senior citizens who were in this place. On behalf of Okpebholo, his deputy, Dennis Idahosa, and APC, I want to thank all of them. As we come Igueben local government today, I see say this place, Ebele where we did, the old people when they here Now plenty pass. I see say Una, our papa and our mama when they here. Something they will can't take the eye of old age can't see. Because everybody don't show concern the type of government when we don't get in the last 8 years. We don't say our people never benefit from government. Today, by the grace of God, the God that has kept you people alive, the one make una help us make the right choice. The person who will go vote for as governor. You know, say man not the just agree say that this is what I want to do. Why? Maybe just because he's fine, or maybe because he's not fine, or my papa sit on mama, or your mama sit on my papa. We don't do those things. It don't do our people any good. You understand me? So never again, by the grace of God, are we going to elect a governor that will not help our people. We want the person when we go business we feel hold. The person when we know, and the person when you get the history, the record, say you don't do well, or you feel do well for us. That's why every time you go see bad road like this, you go say no hospital, you go say no road, everybody go dey lament because we never take eye look am well. Today, the thing I want to tell the Igueben people and all the leaders when they this town and the entire Igueben local government, the reason why we believe that you people agree with us, say for Senator Okpebholo, that son is the person when we choose. Not the only Esan people make us choose Okpebholo. We were in the beginning and just have. We wanted governor. I don't know people wanted governor. Not only just central people want governor. But we went there just south. And those of us went there just north. We can't look at this Esan agenda. True, is it not their tongue? For a long time, after Mondosu got 14 months as governor, got removed. Esan people, apart from Brutalima, do 4 years, 1979 to 1983, no Esan man don't be governor. And we know, we went there in those states, whether you be Esan, whether you be Benin, whether the Afghan, all of us be same brothers and sisters. When I sit down, our candidate they tell me, I said that Benin, like they hear so. Because our coordinator here, like Benin, like they talk to Una. When Gabusa come here, he take Esan, take talk to Una. Not the same house from home. Then we talk say, in the tone of Esan people, these Esan people, true, you go make them produce government.
Okpebholo again is not
The people for Edo South where me from come. I be senator for 8 years for Edo South. All the things what I do, people say, I support to be governor. I said no. God not go like her. And the tone of Esan. Make we make her Esan agenda. Everybody will go Edo South. Everybody step down. Including Pastor Sagi, everybody step down. Now Esan agenda. All the people for Edo North, when one be governor, they step down. Esan agenda. So we don't take Esan man. Why we agree? Why? You know why we agree? The reason why we agree for Okpebholo because una when dey Esan land, una don't vote him as una senator. Una don't vote for Okpebholo as senator. Last year, February 25, una vote for him as senator. Now I say this one na Esan choice. And you see, before now Una get it is when they do for Esan land, Esan people. Some of them don't talk many things. You go come here and come take him out to talk these things. When una form Ataragba, when we say security be problem for Esan land, when people don't feel go farm, when the Okpebholo is the only Esan man when stand out, he buy 5 Sierra buses, he give them, give them. When Okpebholo bring millions of naira, it takes support. He never knows he could be senator. Never know. If you want to know what a man can do, you will see the heart of God in that man. You will know that the man, he get pity for people. He get what they call compassion. Why person will be good governor or bad governor? If that man tomorrow will give him the resources, the money of all of us. If that man will fear God, he will use him build school, he will use him build hospital, he will take him build road. But if the man is a bad man, you carry the money, as we see in the last 8 years, they go keep him for bank. Second, they do business. They get him richer and richer. All the roads go jaga jaga, all the schools go jaga jaga, all the hospitals go jaga jaga. By the grace of God, we don't get that governor again in Jesus' name. Now we say, when the Okpebholo sees some people give a mandate, like the senator, that we choose up. That's all of us agree. Say this is a man, that is some choice. Now American senator. We for Edo South, let me say we go settle for number 2. But that number 2 too, we go choose person where we record, where don't do well for Edo South. And the person where he stand out for Edo South, the Honorable Dennis Idausa. Dennis Idausa today is in the House of Representatives. Dennis Idausa House of Representatives. Then they call up Mr. Project. You don't build schools. You don't do everything. They first vote for that for 2019. Then after 4 years, because of the 2 don't do, of their federal constituency, two local governments of their southwest of their northeast. Then vote for them again in 2023. God performance. Like we say for Edo South, this is the one we get our picking. We will follow Okpebholo because of performance. So today, the princes of them, like Professor Ma anoint them. As you see, as the Bible says, the 6 of them, they were all rejected. Is it not so? The same thing is what you are seeing here. Now Professor Ma and your papa just say you have another child. Because all these 6 men don't bring. When the big men, as you see for PDP, as you see for Labour, he said God don't reject these ones. Now the papa said one of them day, he not strong go, he not there out there, he dey nurse sheep and goat and everything for farm. Then they say bring am, let me see. When they bring am, the Bible record say he was just a small man, but the man has favor in the sight of God. And then they now anointed him. Immediately, the Spirit of God said, that is the person. By the grace of God, I'm still alive. As a Christian, I don't read that story again and again. It didn't mean anything to me. It didn't mean anything to me until I saw Okpebholo, where in the midst of people, if to send like money, they take talk and for not reach your hand. No, so. If like fight, say it's a big box, you cannot reach your hand. But you can see everybody. That Esan choice, that Edo Central choice, one I made. Let God regulate everybody with life behind them. You are going to get them. You are going to get them.
Okpebholo Adelis no come.
May God not make us to reject His choice. We in Edo South, as we play the ridge, without Okpebholo with the support. Now Okpebholo Edo South, the support. We take our best in the House of Rep to support them, the younger brother. Make sure they go. And don't know people, they don't decide. Now, Okpebholo, today, and I was hoping for day here, but he rush, go do something. Now, he be the organ first for a donut. The whole of a donut, even the minister, when he come for a donut, he leave us just now for Igueben. All of us, now Okpebholo, that we support. If I don't serve, I don't know, they support their choice. We are not going to support her. We are not going to support her. Did my test for Esan. Did my test for Esan. Una be papa, una be mama. Begin like this when you get people, old people like Una. We go report out to Una if you don't do well. You get papa, you get mama for house. Now Una be papa, now Una be mama. Begin like this when God will bring to stand up. And a three, now you papa, now you go. Abi, now God trainer, no, not trainer. We, when follow and come, when not come from Esan, that the Spirit of God made the move some of us. So come and talk to you. This is the greatest opportunity Esan people have to come back to political relevance.
Mario will make us a no brown. I mean, not be so. I can't job here. But nothing, and back up is on the kitchen. Back in the job again. Because other men are fat. And back up is that when God give us so. We got common tears for Isha people. We never seen like this before. We never seen like this before. If they sink borehole, so that we go see water they drink. If not for now, we go see they go stream. We go they look for river. We go they look for where river they to go they fetch water. We go they buy jerrycan, they push wheelbarrow. But now, you can't do that one for us. It never enter government too. When we know the fee go far, our papa, our mama, now far they take trainers. We not confident they go. After comes that come rescue us. He come buy Sienna. But the person when the other people carry come, when they call Akintude, yes, Akoni. Akintude, Yoruba man, and that Mure, and that white man don't vote tonight. Again, the carry plan well, but more you plan well. Ọ̀rẹ́ káwọn ọ̀rẹ́ jíẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ bí ẹni ọbaṣẹ́kìnà ẹ̀yẹ káwọn plan when they don't do puma ẹ̀rọ ní bùbù yìí ní mú ní bẹ́ẹ̀ plan when they bá mi go bẹ́ẹ̀ bá hórè. Second journey ọ̀rẹ́ gbígbà kò park o ègbò fàdé o ẹ̀wẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ̀yà ní fa ní ìpòtọ́ mu ní ìgò náà sẹ́mà ẹ̀ ọbaṣẹ́kì dem don dey for 8 years school ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ àlù. Ọba lu báyé, teacher kẹ́rẹ́ ànẹ́wọ̀ ọba rẹ̀ báyé, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ́ teacher rẹ̀ retire.
Wọ́n 6 oyè, wọ́n 7 oyè, wọ́n 8 oyè, ebele oyè. Now I don't know. I already don't know the reason why we dey here. Abi no be so? Okay, my own go dey very very brief. I want make una know say na good government na with one. Good government, if good government dey, shey dem go dey see development, shey dem go dey see market for everywhere, shey schools go dey everywhere, shey hospital go dey everywhere, water go dey everywhere, good roads go dey everywhere. If good government dey, abi for these 8 years when we don reach now since when Obaseki dey there. All these things when I mentioned, I don't see any of those things. The only person, the Messiah of our time, the one that is coming to redeem the image of Edo State, is no other person than Senator Monday Okpebholo, aka Apakomisa.
Okpebholo again is no como.
Ebele people, if you go vote for Apakomisa, I want to see your hand.
rest from una. All Ebele Adama, all Kalo people, all the polling units when they this place, this was 6, was 7, and was 8. I want to make it be 100 over 100. They don't do it. They don't do it. The great youth, they don't do it. Women know you, they don't do it. Make I tell them, make it not let them deceive you now. We don't tire of MOU government. We don't tire of lie government. The government of talk and do, now we do now. Before senator becomes senator, before he became a senator, what the English people call alternative government. When I think the alternative government, person when not the government, when they do things when government supposed to do. Now this man be. He can't build road with his own personal money. He can't give bursaries to students. He can't put borehole for different communities. He can't buy vehicles give to security personnel. When kidnappers want to drive everybody come up for Esan, now he be the man when drop 5 vehicles for our security personnel. When we say that's insecurity for Esan land, can reduce. This man, now man will get empathy. This man, now man will get passion for the people. Anything will good, that they call him name. So I want Bekuna vote for her come 21st of September 2024. Are you people ready? I want to ask you a question. If you not respond based on the question we are asked, all of us go take it tomorrow morning. Number 1 question where I want to ask you now. Una happy with the way Edo State be? I know you're well. Now, Obaseki promised Edo people, especially the youth, 200,000 jobs. He don't give you now? He also promised that there will be a mini stadium in all the local government headquarters. He do for my constituency of Via, he promised us say he will give us Gele seaport. Una don't see him? For Okpebholo, he promised and said he could bring. What he say? What bring that time? Huh? Una don't hear? Here? Okay, who get time to give us something? Some people tell you what they do at school. He promised Okpebholo Industrial Park. And if they say he do him, by now a lot of our youths for they engage. He do him? No! He promised I don't know people. Saying go give them airports. Una know the fly from I don't know. That's the way don't do all this one, way don't allow this line. For Sober, he say he want to give Sober farm. They give her money. He don't do them. No. Plenty things where they, where he talk, where he promise to do people. He not do anyone. When Adam Salio Shomole be governor of Edo State, una know say all public school that time, all of them, Red Roof Revolution. Say private school were almost out of business. Yeah. But this time around, the man continue. No. Una get teacher for public school? No. Ordinary school desk, you know they, and they say do best. You know, the Bible don't talk, and Bible not the lie. He said when the righteous rule, the people rejoice. Thank God, God Almighty don't hear our prayers. Now he bring man will get conscience, man will get good heart, man will don't live with the people, man will know what it takes to go to bed with hunger, man will know the struggle where our parents they go through for villages. Now God can't hear our prayer, can't bring distinguished Monday Okpebholo, aka Akpakomiza.
to be the next governor of Edo State. I want just let una know, say in every generation, God will bring one better person where go transform the lives of his people. God not they come from heaven now, human being I dey use. And I'm very, very convinced that now God now send Akpakome shall come for Edo State. Una go support her. I know you are not go support her. The incoming governor of Edo State. Your people say they are ready to support you. And for where they support you, now there they support Denko. For where they support Denko and yourself, now there they support Edo people. Now, I want to put them to vote. If you don't say you go vote APC on the 21st of next month, raise up your hand. APC! So join me, welcome the incoming governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo.
I want to thank all of you. I want to say Obulu, Obulu, Obulu. I get to say Nara Moy Doy. I get to say Nara Moy School no Samari Boy. I get to say Nara Becky Nikuna Samai. I get to say Nara Amu Upo City. I get to say Nara Amu Wede Sina. I am Igueben. Hospital call. Una get hospital now. Una get school now. Una they get drinking water now. Una get light. Time don't reach to change it. Edo money belongs to Edo people. It's not to open a private bank. No. It's not to build 10-story building. No. Or build hotel. No. Or build ShopRite. No. They don't take our money. Finish. We are tired of investment bank. People that had briefcase before, now they are having 10-story building. The man, the chief advisor, normally Tamale on that. I'm near where Tamaria. In your mission, or I shall not say. Where does Olopo? I am never the back of Kodwe Ku. I am better than if a bar equipment than you and doing it. Or California, it on a raffle, on a lawyer, and on a name, on no Jim hair. Only my Babalo. My kind, I just take him on before. This government, Edo State government, own 43 billion. Now from 43 billion, it don't enter 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 567 billion. They are finishers. It is time to tell ourselves the truth. There is nothing they have done for us. It's not a matter of insecurity everywhere. No road, nothing. But for men, enemy are Akin Bole. one. People can't carry school. About Igueben, all this your school here. College of Education. About all oh yeah, do need? No. About Sabasi, Emma Hall. Who were the river? No. Who were the very one? No. Who call? Who were there? No. Obi over Miva, that's about all one river. I will not solo plan. Martin now, I will not survive. Miami teacher school. Before 100 days in office, we employ over 5,000 teachers. I don't teach anyone in my bay. A school of maybe 20-30 teachers. We are suddenly now we teach Eva plus headmaster. A yellow best. Only you don't jaga education. A yellow best. What is best in education? 21st of September. 21st. And then he was tamale by one. Back in 40 Bele. Et we go Munyao. A young go, a dog, I had a Jibaba Robert. But I am 40 because he goes, you know. By 40 he got a Tomu or the river. They are a river by Robert. Back your only car 40 over Segba. A irrigation. If I didn't put your head, but 44 back on what to back I already go here. So no product power, Bulu.
One important moment for the campaign shele for Igueben when the party state secretary Lawrence Oka officially welcomed one person wey adjust from Labour Party join the All Progressive Congress APC.
Igueben, congratulations. Today we are receiving one of the big wins from PDP, Ekpon, and Labour Party. He's coming to join us. Your friend, Idusere. You all know him? Yes. He's from Igueben. He's one of us. And I will take that as now. I will show you. Congratulations. Thank you from you. Congratulations. APC. Okpebholo for governor. Well, today will not be my speech, but I would say that with the leaders that I have seen today and the party supporters, and I believe APC is safe with Ekpon for governor. Yes, I am not going to make no speech because I had a very late information yesterday. I was in Lagos. I said, no, I have to be in attendance so that I can identify with my people, having to know that I am from Ward 1, and I want to assure everybody that Ward 1 is safe and secure.
For their talk with Tory people, the APC State Deputy Woman Leader Haja Memunat Mohammed, Party State Secretary Lawrence Oka, and Party Chieftain Sam Obokon share their confidence for the upcoming election.
First and foremost, you can see for yourself, our people are waiting and people for those states have been crying. waiting for a change. The change has come. Thank God our candidates celebrate materials. We are in Igueben, the second local of war-to-war tour. We have finished our senatorial campaign. We are now in war-to-war tour. And our people, the grassroots, we are having base with them. They are very determined to have a good change in Edo State. And that good change is APC. They recall that during Oshimole time, when we have APC in government in Edo State was in good shape. And we enjoyed it. Now, with PDP, they are crying. So we want to wipe out their tears with Okpebholo at Pakomisa.
From all we have seen so far, there is one thing that has resonated with the people. The people believe in our party and they also believe in our candidates. And you find that wherever we go, the turnout is usually massive. And that goes to show that we are yearning for positive change. And APC have been able to provide that man that can give us a positive change. And so when you see the crowd we are seeing, you see people who naturally believe in what we have, not renting the crowd. And so for me, it goes to show that with all these people, by the special grace of God, come 21st of September, we are good to go and Edo will rise again.
Since 1999 up till last year, PDP had held sway in this place. For the very first time, our candidates for the senatorial election, the last election, we won landslide in the 5 local government here. We tend to maintain that in this forthcoming gubernatorial election. As a matter of fact, PDP brought on the development to the people of Esan land. In this place we are now, this is Igueben local government. They have what so precious to them, the Igueben College of Education has been run aground by the government of Governor Baseki. And that is why you see they are total in support of APC. I can guarantee you, in the 5 local government of Esan land, APC is going to win 5 over 5. We are not including the local government or the PDP candidate. He will not even be able to win his own local government. I guarantee you that because our candidate has a track record of working. As well, that tells you, I'm going to do. Our candidate has done a lot. You understand that? And we are very happy. We are not in doubt as to our readiness and ability to win the election.
To canvass for more votes, the word-to-word campaign go carry waka enter Esan Northeast next. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Edo Central Senatorial District, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.